Yeah, my name is Irakliy, I'm from Russia, and I did International Foundation. Currently I'm studying International Politics in Aberystwyth University.
And I'm from Japan, and I choose Aberystwyth because of its reputation, and I did foundation course here, and I studied like academic writing, critical thinking, and doing presentations, something like that. And for next year, I'm gonna do international politics and strategic studies. As I say, like critical thinking and especially writing skills, we have to submit many essays, so it's not easy, and I think that writing skill helped me a lot.
It was very helpful for me to develop necessary English skills and writing as well, and increase my academic vocabulary for a little bit challenging, but the teaching staff is very friendly and very helpful, so it makes my studying much easier, I think. Yeah.
I'm not native speaker, and I think my English is not so good yet, but I found it very interesting. I've got many friends, like both like native students and also international students, so I'm quite enjoying studying, also like accompany with them.
I found it very, very different because here I had a chance to express myself finally and think critically and analyze things. And back at home, I just had to sit and learn.
I have to study like by myself, not just to be given. I have to share something from me with everyone, and also like not just one way of view. I have to see something like different way. So it's quite tough, but I think it's interesting.
Aberystwyth is a lovely place, despite the fact it's a small town. There's plenty of things to do. It's great for sports. You can do surfing. It's nice waves over here. Nice hills to run up and down, and cycling is really enjoyable. So yeah, sports facilities is very developed as well.
It's beautiful, especially seafront, and peaceful and safety. It's a nice place to study. I can concentrate. And also I like university facilities, nice cafes and libraries, and also sports center.
It teaches you to critically analyze and creates this very important basic for before you actually do your degree. So which is very important in developing your skills for to make your studying your degree easier.
Teaching style is different from my country and here, so I can get used to the way of studying here, and also teachers are friendly, so I can ask like many things to them.
I think definitely it would be harder. As I said before, I'm not a native speaker, so and the difference between the education system, I mean the teaching system is very different from here and where I'm from, so it was definitely very good experience for me.
Yeah, education system and way of education is totally different, so like I have to share with my information, my idea with someone, which I don't do that in my countries. So, and also I have to use English. It's tough for me. International politics and strategic studies, which is about mainly war, nuclear weapons. I'm quite interested in like those kinds of stuff, especially nuclear and war ethics. So some stuff like that. I had it's very tough stuff, and I have read like module. It's very tough. I have to read a lot. Also like presentations in front of people. So I'm sure it's gonna be tough for me, but I'm very looking for next academic year.
I'm going to study international politics and intelligence studies, particularly going to be related to cyber security, because I'm very interested in the subject. Aberystwyth University considered one of the best universities for studying international politics, and it's definitely going to be really good, really beneficial for me after I graduate. And I think it will be easy to find a job with this degree. Yeah.
I'm interested in like international organization, NGO or United Nations, and hopefully I want to work there. So I think this degree definitely won't help me to find a job.